आयुर्देहि यशो देहि भाग्यं भगवती देहि मे पुत्रान् देहि धनं देहि सर्वान् कामोच्चं देहि मे.
Hey guys, this is Kaushik and welcome back to another video. So today the date is 13th of October, and as you guys might be knowing that right now in India it's Navratri or Durga Puja that's going around. So today I'm heading for Durga Puja celebration here in Dublin, and it's a very special occasion for us. So happy Navratri to all the people, and happy Durga Puja to all my Bengali friends who are watching this video. So this vlog you might hear 3 different languages. It might be English, Hindi and Bengali, so I'm not pretty sure of. So देखते हैं going forward जहाँ जहाँ पे मैं जाऊँगा वहाँ पे जैसे सीन्स रहेंगे accordingly I have to modulate my language accordingly. So I'm basically going to commercial rowing club in Dublin to offer prayers. So let's see how it goes, and I'll see you along the way. I'm already late. It's 11:02 and our bus is at 11:08. Let's straight head towards commercial rowing club Dublin. Durga Puja in Dublin begins now. লাগাতে পারবে? আমি ক্যামেরা এটা করতে গেলে অসুবিধা হয়ে যাবে। দুর্গা পুজো এরকম ওয়েদার হয়ে থাকলে বড্ড ঝামেলা। হালকা একটু রোদ উঠতো, সুন্দর সুন্দর ছবি উঠতো, তা না হ্যাঁ কি করতে চাইছিস? ভিডিও তৈরি হচ্ছে, ওদিকে পাঠিয়ে দিও। হ্যাঁ ওইখানে গিয়ে তো হবেই, হিউস্টন নেমে তারপরে হাঁটতে হবে। ফাইনালি উই আর দ্য লুয়াস। ওইখান থেকে তোমার বাস ধরতে হবে একটা 66A বা এরকম কিছু একটা।
ডাবলিন দেখেছি, নামগুলো এখনো পড়া পড়া হয়নি।
फाइनली এখানে पहुंचे গেছি। सॉरी, फाइनली वी हैव रीच्ड ओवर हियर। यू कैन सी इन द बैकग्राउंड यहाँ पे फोटो क्लिकिंग सेशंस कुछ करने हैं, पर अभी पता नहीं है क्या सीन है। यहाँ पे अभी पुष्पांजलि देना बाकी है, तो मिलते हैं पुष्पांजलि के बाद।
মায়ের প্রতিমার সামনে ধীরে ধীরে এগিয়ে যান যারা যারা পুষ্পাঞ্জলি দিতে ইচ্ছুক।
পত্র পুষ্পাঞ্জলি ওম দক্ষ যজ্ঞ বিনাশিন্নৈ মহাঘোরাওই যোগিনী কোটি পরিবৃতাওই ভদ্রকাল্যই দুর্গাওই নমঃ।
So this is how it looks outside. This is actually river Liffey. Huh? These are the rowing boats which they generally use for rowing over here. And it's freaking cold. आज ही ठंडा ज़्यादा पड़ना ज़रूरी था, cause I'm feeling very cold. So Vijitda enjoying.
নট ভেরি খুব একটু লাইটলি আইল্যান্ডে একটু সবাই একটু বিয়ার টিয়ার খেয়ে মানে ওয়াইফাই দিয়ে বাড়িতে আগুন ফাগুন জ্বালিয়ে বসে থাকো আমরা এখানে একটু একটু লেট ব্যাক মানে নিউজিল্যান্ডের মতো কিন্তু তারপরে ফিল্ডারে তো ছেড়ে দেয় ফ্যামিলি না থাকলে অত দূরে থেকে দাও
প্রচন্ডে পুত্ররে উত্তম সুপ্রীতে সুরনায়িতে কোন ক্রোত করে চক্রে জয় দেহি নমস্তুতে রুদ্রচণ্ডে প্রচণ্ডেত্তম প্রচণ্ড বলশালিনী রক্ষক মা সর্বত দেবী বিশ্বেশ্বরী নমস্তুতে পূর্ব
Finally, everything done for today. I really can't point the camera to anyone. So yeah, that's how my background is looking. It's very beautiful over here. Yeah, obviously I'm missing Calcutta a little bit, but चलता है, थोड़ा बहुत चल जाता है. So Ashtami, it's over. Now tomorrow I'm again coming over here for Navami Puja. So I'll be here in the same place with this beautiful background tomorrow again. See you guys tomorrow. So finally it's Navami, so I have left for the same location once again, and this is my attire for today. I've posted a few pictures on Instagram, so if you want to see, you can follow me on Instagram. The link will be there in the description box below. And right now I'm heading because I'm already late for my lures, and yeah, walking in sandals in Dublin, it's really tough because since the last 10 months I'm habituated in walking with my shoes. So yeah, it's really tough. Now yeah, let's head. So right now I have taken one bus, got on at Palmerston Village. Now I am at Kenilsworth Road or something. There, it's around in 8 minutes. Next bus will come in. I'll hop on it and get on at Garda Rowing Club. So that's what I'm going. That's where I'm going. The stop is Garda Rowing Club. So yeah, this is how the road is right now. And I bet you it's freaking cold. I made a very good decision of wearing thermals inside. Otherwise, I would have got frozen by now. Because it's fully highway. I guess it's the A10 or something. So it's fully highway and it's lots of winds over here. Finally reached once again Commercial Rowing Club. अब देखते हैं युक्ति मैडम किधर है. ये दिख गई. वाओ, सज धज के आई है मैडम.
नालायक, बदतमीज, कितनी हवा है यहाँ पर.
ओम आयुर्देहि यशो देहि भाग्यं भगवती देहि मे पुत्रान् देहि धनं देहि सर्वान् कामश्चं देहि मे भगवती भयोच्छेदे भव भाविनी कामदे शंकरी कौशिकीत्तं कात्यायनी नमस्तुते.
So just as we reached over here, the Pushpanjali started. So I had to rush and attend the Pushpanjali. Now everything is done. Now Yukti is having video call with her mother for obvious reasons. She need to show Durga Puja in Dublin to her mother. So she is inside. I am outside because right now again some special puja is going on. So I can't really speak over there because it's very silent and only the mantras are going on inside. So I'm outside right now in this beautiful view. I bet I'm going to come over here sometime later after the Durga Puja, everything is over. But this place is so beautiful, though I am not so much good in this kayaking and stuff, but I'll definitely try and learn this thing. You can see behind me, these are the kayaking boats, or what they say were rowing boats. So I'm going to learn this and I'm definitely going to try this sometime. People are there recording, making videos. This is the usual stuff nowadays. Today, to my good luck, I'm having thermals inside, so I'm not feeling that much cold, so I can stand outside and record finally. This is the actual place, Commercial Rowing Club. It's established in 1856. बहुत पुरानी है. Yeah, I guess this is the football table or something, seems like. So this is the place where we were having lunch yesterday, and inside you can see people are still there, and it's raining little bit. That side it's a complete park and it's very beautiful. Right now it's windy, but better than yesterday, because at least today I can bear up the cold. Yesterday, which was not at all possible, and I was shivering to hell. For that reason, while going back we have to take the cab, because if we have to take the bus we have to again get down at some places, and stepping down is a big problem yesterday. So yeah, right now I'm out. I'll just get in, see rest of the rituals, because today I guess we have one more puja, Kumari Puja, I guess just after this. So we'll be attending that as well, have our lunch, and then we'll head back home. So this will be all for Durga Puja from Dublin for 2021, because I'm not attending all of the events. Even tomorrow there is Vijaya Dashami, so I won't be here for tomorrow because I have work. So I won't be here tomorrow. Hopefully, fingers crossed, next year I'll be there capturing all of the days starting from Shashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashami, everything, and will give you individual vlogs for each and every day, and we'll try to cover as much as possible, not only in Dublin but at least in the surrounding areas. Okay, now let's head inside and see what's going on.
Durga Shiva Ama Bhatri Swaha Shraddha Namostute. Om Jata Judo Samajuktam Vardhendu Krita Shekharam Lochanatraya Samjuktam Gurunendu.
So this is our lunch for today. It's yummy. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Finally, Durga Puja for us is done. Navami is ending. कल दशमी है, कल हम लोग यहाँ नहीं आ सकते. इसका भी काम है, मेरा भी काम है. तो yeah, this is all for this video. अब नेक्स्ट ईयर दुर्गा पूजा में मैं कोशिश करूँगा हर एक दिन का एक दिन का अलग अलग वीडियो क्रिएट कर सकता हूँ, अगर टाइम हुआ तो. लेट्स होप फॉर द बेस्ट.
Fingers crossed.
होपफुली नेक्स्ट ईयर ये लोग भी बहुत और थोड़ा फ्री हो जाएंगे अपने पढ़ाई से पूरी तरह से. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो कब क्या आएगा मुझे नहीं पता. नथिंग इज़ प्लान. नील अभी इंडिया जा रहा है, शायद आपको नील के चैनल से पता होगा. नील अभी इंडिया वापस जा रहा है, तो वो जब आएगा फिर शायद हम लोग कहीं घूमने जाएंगे. तब तक बीच में कुछ होता है तो आई विल कीप ऑन अपडेटिंग. So for now, let's end this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like, and hit like on the video. See you till then. Take care. Bye bye. Kaushik signing off. उस तरफ जाना है हमें. Last bus to home.
পরিত্রাণো পরায়ণে সর্বসাতী হরে দেবী নারায়ণী নমস্তুতে.